Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to make my lunch without any oil. So I wanted to make my meal the healthiest and tastiest. So for that I have taken millet. So today I am going to make separately millet khichdi and vegetables without not using any oil. So here I have taken kudo millet. So this is very healthy kudo millet. So it has lot of fiber in it, so that which helps us clean our gut. So I have taken the millet and soaked it in water for half an hour. So the millet became soft. So after that I washed away nicely and threw the water. Now in a pan I put the millet, and then I have taken 1 cup of millet. So I am going to add here 1.5 glass of water. So because the millet has to get boiled in it and get softened, so I am using here, it's not going to be dry like rice, but like khichdi, semi solid. So here I am going to add a pinch of salt, like half tablespoon salt. You can add the salt as per the taste, and then mix it nicely. Now I am going to cover it with a lid and cook it for 10 minutes. So friends, please do make millets in your daily diet. Include it for the maximum health benefit. It's very healthy, and we should make it a habit of eating millets and include in our children's diet in various form. So for vegetables, here I have taken beans, carrot and some green peas. So I am going to steam the vegetables. I am not going to boil it, because boiling may kill most of its nutrients. So I am going to steam it. So here in the steamer I have put the carrot, beans and peas, and sprinkle little bit of salt, and then I am going to steam it, cover it and steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. So the vegetables are being steamed also, and also my millets is going to get ready. So I am not going to put any oil here. So here I am going to add half inch of chopped ginger and 1 green chili. So also I am going to add here few peppercorns. So these peppercorns, ginger and green chili will give a very nice flavor to the millet khichdi. So friends, usually oil does not have any taste of its own. It's the spices that make our taste most flavorful and tasty. So if you know how to blend the correct spices to your food, you can enjoy tasty food without using oil and make it most healthy food. So here I am going to add half a cup of grated coconut. So because no oil, so I am going to add the coconut, and is going to make it super yummy. The coconut will make the millet khichdi very yummy. So I have added the coconut and mix it very nicely, and also I will now again cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes, 10 to 5 minutes. So friends, see, my millets khichdi is almost ready, and it's giving very nice flavor. Friends, please do not trust me, just try making on your own and see how tasty it comes out without oil also. So it's already done. Now I'm going to switch off the gas. Now here also my vegetables are also been already boiled very nicely. It has been steamed and it has been softened. So now I'm going to chop the vegetables. So now as it is winters, we are getting lot of vegetables in the market. So please do include vegetables, because different vegetables have different nutrition. So please include lot of vegetables in your daily diet. So I'm going to chop these vegetables very nicely. So the more bright color is the vegetable, the more is the nutrition level. So in winter I try to include all kind of vegetable in my diet. So chop the carrot very nicely. And friends, I also want to tell you that I do make lot of healthy diet in my channel, Please do check out my healthy millet recipe in my channel, and also let me know in the comments, like how do you find my cooking after making those recipes, because I want to be healthy, and I also want to spread the awareness that without using much of spices and rich oil, you can also enjoy the tasty food and stay healthy. So here I have chopped the vegetables and green beans, and also adding the green peas here. And now I'm going to add here one chopped chili, so chopped green chili, and again I'm going to add here half a cup of coconut, grated coconut. So guys, coconut is my favorite. So being in South India, I use coconut for almost all of my dishes. So I'm not going to put any oil, because while steaming I have already put any salt, because while steaming I have already put the salt in the vegetables. Add little bit of black pepper powder and mix it nicely. So now I'm going to serve it. Friends, see the millet khichdi, which is looking so yummy. And more than it, because I have made it previously also, and my family just loved it, and they say it hardly you can make out that it is without oil, and it tastes so nice. It is a wholesome meal and is very satisfying, and also you don't feel guilty that you are consuming lot of oil and spices. What will happen to your health? So friends, please do make this and enjoy at your home, and also let me know in the comments like how it came out, and your comments will motivate me to make more healthy recipes like this.